ॐ श्रीकृष्ण शरणं मम गोपिका जीवनस्मरणं गोविन्दा गोविन्द सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। शुक्लां भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। नमो नमः सद्गुरुभ्यः सद्गुरुभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो नमः सद्गुरुभ्यो नमो नमः। सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय विश्वोत्पत्त्यादिहेतवे तापत्रय विनाशाय श्रीकृष्णाय वयं नुमः। यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरह कातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि। यस्वानुभावमखिल श्रुतिसारमेकम् अध्यात्मदीपम् अतिथितीर्षतां तमोन्धं संसारिणां करुणयाः पुराणगुह्यं तं व्याससूनुमुपयामि गुरुं मुनीनां। योगीन्द्राय नमस्तस्मै शुकाय ब्रह्मरूपिणे संसारसर्पदष्टं यो विष्णुरातममुमुचते कालव्यालमुखग्रास त्रासनिर्नाशहेतवे श्रीमद्भागवतं शास्त्रं कलौकीरेण भाषितम् एतस्मात् अपरं किञ्चित् मनःशुद्ध्येन विद्यते जन्मान्तरे भवेत् पुण्यं तदा भागवतं लभेत् ज्ञानवैराग्यसम्पूर्णान् हरिभक्तिपरायणान् पूर्वाचार्यादहं वन्दे सम्प्रदायप्रवर्तकान् भगवन्नाम साम्राज्य लक्ष्मी सर्वस्वविग्रहं श्रीमद्बोधेन्द्रयोगीन्द्र देशिकेन्द्रम् उपास्महे। कलिकालोचितं धर्मं नाम संकीर्तनात्मकं निर्णेतुमवतीर्णं तं प्रेमिकं सद्गुरुं भजे। हरे रामेति कृष्णेति नाम संकीर्तनं सदा लोकक्षेमाय कुर्वन्तं प्रेमिकं सद्गुरुं भजे। जन्माद्यस्य यतोऽन्वयात् इतरतश्चार्तेष्वभिज्ञस्वराट् तेने ब्रह्महृदाय आदिकवये मुह्यन्ति यत्सूरयः तेजो वारिमृधां यथा विनिमयो यत्र त्रिसर्गो मृषा धाम्ना स्वेन सदा निरस्तकुहकं सत्यं परं धीमहि। धर्मः प्रोज्झितकैतवोऽत्र परमो निर्मत्सराणां सतां वेद्यं वास्तवमत्र वस्तु शिवदं तापत्रयोन्मूलनम्। श्रीमद्भागवते महामुनिकृते किं वा परैरीश्वरः सद्यो हृद्यवरुध्यतेऽत्र कृतिभिः शुश्रूषिभिस्तक्षणात् निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं शुकमुखात् अमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। श्रीमद्भागवताख्योऽयं प्रत्यक्षः कृष्ण एव हि स्वीकृतोऽसि मया नाथ मुक्त्यर्थं भवसागरे। मनोरथो मदीयोऽयं सफलः सर्वदा त्वया निर्विघ्नेनैव कर्तव्यो दासोऽहं तव केशव। श्रीहरे नमः। श्रीहरे नमः। श्रीहरे नमः। गोपिका जीवनस्मरणं गोविन्दा गोविन्द सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, so we still have this few more stanzas left in 4.16. I'll just quickly summarize the last portion of 16, then we'll get to 17. So in 4.16, primarily it was because in 4.15 and everything, they realized that Prithu is an extension, is an incarnation of Bhagavan with potency. And then all the other people who are there, they were actually talking, doing stuti to Prithu, right? Talking about his greatness and then, doing prayers to him. And then the last part of it, essentially, they are summarizing the rest of the Prithu Charitram. So Prithu Charitram goes until 4.23. So another 7 more chapters of Prithu Charitram is there, right? So in this, from about 20 stanzas, right, they're literally summarizing. They're saying that, Prithu, you will become a great emperor, you will be invincible, right? So you'll be able to go everywhere all around the earth, and then there'll be no opposition for you, right? And then, and you'll be well respected because remember, he's following Vena, right, who had a very bad influence. So everything, your fame will spread. And then you'll be equivalent to like a Prajapati, right? You will take care of all of the beings. and then it talks about how he's going to milk the earth like a cow. You can't milk the earth, but you can milk a cow. So, but you're going to extract all the things, which is what we're going to see in 17 and 18, right? Is how we're going to extract everything out of the earth for the benefit of all the citizens and everything. And then it talks about how eventually he's going to perform 100 Ashwamedha Yajnas, right, on the banks of river Saraswati, and how Indra is going to come and Indra is going to try to disturb the sacrifices that Prithu is going to do, how Narayana is going to come at that point, how eventually Prithu will meet the Sanat Kumaras, and then how he will finally attain all the knowledge that is there, and how finally he will leave this earth, right? So essentially the entire Prithu Charitram is kind of summarized in the next 6 stanzas, and how everybody will then glorify him, right? As that's the summarization. And the rest of the 6 chapters essentially follow each of these stories that I just summarized in like 30 seconds. That's what the rest of the 6 things are. All right, so we'll start with the 23rd stanza today. Let me see who ahead. Madhu, you can be a student, and Jayashree Sriram, you can be a student. Vispurjayannaja gavam dhanus swayam, comma, yada charat shmam, so breaking at that ma, shmam, abhishahyamajau, tada nililyur dishi dishyasanto, comma, langulam udhyamya yatha mrigendraha. Vispurjayannaja dhanuswayam, yada charat shmam abhishahyamajau, tada nililyur dishi dishyasanto, langulamudhyamya yatha mrigendraha.
विस्फूर्जयन्नाजगवं धनुस्वयं यदा शरश्मामविषग्यमाजौ तदा निलुल्युर्दिशि दिशि सन्दो लाङ्गूलमुद्यम्य यदा मृगेन्द्रः
विस्फूर्जयन्नाजकवं धनुस्वयं यदा शरश्माम् अभिषह्यमाजौ तदा दिश्यसन्धो लाङ्गूलम् उद्यम्य यदा मृगेन्द्रः.
Eshoshwamedhan, so Esha Ashwamedhan, but the S symbol is coming there. Eshoshwamedhan Shatamajahara, comma, Saraswati Pradura Bhavi Yatra Ahara Sheetyasya Hayam Purandaraha, comma, Shata Kratuscharame Vartamane. Eshoshwamedhan Shatamajahara Saraswati Pradura Bhavi Yatra Aharashidhyasya Hayam Purandaraha Shatakratuscharame Vartamane.
Rajesh, the third line, is it Aharashi or is it Aharshi?
Aharashit, and the Dya is there. Aharashit.
But there's a repam, right? That above the she.
Aharashi. Yeah. What do you mean repam?
Aharshi, or is it is it a full ra?
Yeah, it's a full ra. Aharashit. Yes, yeah.
Okay, thanks.
येषोष्वमेताञ्शदमाजहार सरस्वती प्रादुर्भाव्यत्र अकारशीत्यस्य हयं पुरन्दरः शतक्रतुश्चरमे वर्तमाने.
येषोऽश्वमेधांशदमाजहार सरस्वती प्रादुर्भावि यत्र आहारशीत्यस्य हयं पुरन्दरः शतक्रतुश्चरमे वर्धमाने.
Yesha Swa Sadmo Pavane Sametya, comma, Sanat Kumaram Bhagavantam Ekam Aradhya Bhaktya Labhathamalam. That's one word, Bhaktya Labhathamalam. Tat. So you will have like a ij in Sanskrit. So we're just going to break that thing. It becomes it there. So tat, comma, Jnanam Yato Brahma Param Vidanti. Esha Swasadmo Pavane Samhitya Sanat Kumaram Bhagavantamekam आराध्य भक्त्या लभतामलं तत् ज्ञानं यतो ब्रह्म परं विदन्ति
येषे स्वसत्मो भवने मेद्य सनत्कुमारं भगवन्तमेकम् आराध्य भक्त्या लभतामलं तत् ज्ञानं यदो ब्रह्म परं विदन्ति.
Madhu, the first word esha. Eshen, I heard it is esha.
Okay. येष स्वसत्. Okay.
ये शश्वसत्मो भवने समेत्य सनत्कुमारं भगवन्तमेकम् आराध्य भक्त्या लभतामलं तत् ज्ञानं यदो ब्रह्म परं विदन्ति
Tatra giras tas taha. So add a visarga and a comma there. Taha. Iti vishruta vikramaha. Shroshyat yatma shrita. One word. Cannot break that. Shroshyat yatma shrita gathaha, comma. Prituf pritu parakramaha. Tatra girastastaha. Iti vishruta vikramaha. Shroshyat yatma shrita gathaha. Prituf parakramaha.
तत्र किरस्तास्ताः इति विश्रुतविक्रमः श्रोष्यत्यात्मा श्रिता गाताः पृथुः पराक्रमः.
तत्र किरस्तास्ताः इति विश्रुतविक्रमः श्रोष्यत्यात्माश्रिता गादाः पृथुः पराक्रमः
Disho vijitya pratiruddha, one word, vijitya pratiruddha shakraha, comma, swa tejasot patita loka shalyaha surasurendrair upagiyamana, then put a plus, so we'll say that line together, mahanubhavo bhavita patirbhuvaha. Disho vijitya pratiruddha chakraha स्वतेजसोत्पाटितलोकशल्यः सुरासुरेन्द्रैरुपगीयमान महानुभावो भविता पतिर्भुवः.
दिशो विजित्या प्रतिरुद्धचक्रः स्वतेजसोत्पाटितलोकशल्यः सुरासुरेन्द्रैरुपगीयमान महानुभावो भविता पतिर्भुवः.
दिशो विजित्या प्रतिरुद्धचक्रः स्वतेजसोत्पाटितलोकशल्यः सुरासुरेन्द्रै उपगीयमान महानुभावो भविता बधिर्भुवः.
Be easier if somebody can tell our future perfectly, everything that we are going to do, as long as it's good like this, right? So anyway, for Prithu, they tell everything. इति श्रीमद्भागवते महापुराणे पारमहंस्यां संहितायां चतुर्थस्कन्धे षोडशोऽध्यायः.
इति श्रीमद्भागवते महापुराणे पारमहंस्यां संहितायां चतुर्थस्कन्धे षोडशोऽध्यायः.
इति श्रीमद्भागवते महापुराणे पारमहंस्यां संहितायां चतुर्थस्कन्धे षोडशोऽध्यायः.
अथ सप्तदशोऽध्यायः. स्मॉल चैप्टर. मैत्रेयः उवाच एवं स भगवान् वैन्यः, ख्यापितो गुणकर्मभिः छन्दयामास तान् कामैः, प्रतिपूज्याभिनन्द्य च. मैत्रेयः उवाच एवं स भगवान् वैन्यः ख्यापितो गुणकर्मभिः छन्दयामास तान् कामैः प्रतिपूज्याभिनन्द्य च.
मैत्रेय उवाच एवं स भगवान् वैन्यः ख्यापितो गुणकर्मभिः छन्दयो मासतान् कामैः प्रतिपूज्याभिनन्द्य च.
Chandayamasa. I think somewhere you said a O instead of a ya.
छन्दयामासतान् कामैः. Okay.
Yeah.
मैत्रेय उवाच एवं स भगवान् वैन्यः ख्यापितो गुणकर्मभिः चन्दयामास तान् कामैः प्रतिपूज्याभिनन्त्य च
ब्राह्मण प्रमुखान् वर्णान् भृत्यामात्य पुरोधसः पौरान् जानपदान् श्रेणीः प्रकृतिस् समपूजयत् ब्राह्मण प्रमुखान् वर्णान् भृत्यामात्य पुरोधसः पौरान् जानपदान् श्रेणीः प्रकृतिः समपूजयत्
ब्राह्मण प्रमुखान् वर्णान् भृत्यामात्य पुरोदशः पौरान् जानपदान् श्रेणीः प्रकृतिः समपूजयत्
ब्राह्मणप्रमुखान् वर्णान् भृत्यामात्य पुरोदशः पौरान् जानपदान् श्रेणीः ज्ञानपदान् पौरान् जानदन ओके करेक्ट पौरान् जानपदान् श्रेणीः प्रकृति समपूजयत्
विदुरौवाच कस्मात् दधार गो रूपं धरित्री बहुरूपिणी यां दुदोह पृतुस्तत्र को वत्सो दोहनं च किम् विदुरौवाच कस्मात् दधार गो रूपं धरित्री बहुरूपिणी यां दुदोह पृतुस्तत्र को वत्सो दोहनं च किम्
विदुरौवाच कस्मात् ददार गोरूपं धरित्री बहुरूपिणी यां दुदोह पृतुस्तत्र गोवत्सो दोहनं च किम्
Second line after the comma, ka sound. Ko vatso. Okay.
Ko vatso. Okay.
Yeah, ka. Oh, yeah.
विदुरौवाच कस्मात् ददार गोरूपं धरित्री बहुरूपिणी यां दुदोह पृतुस्तत्र गोवत्सो दोहनं च किम्
प्रकृत्या विषमा देवी कृता तेन समाकथं तस्य मेध्यं हयं देवः कस्य हेतोरपाहरत् प्रकृत्या विषमा देवी कृता तेन समाकथं तस्य मेध्यं हयं देवः कस्य हेतोरपाहरत्
प्रकृत्या विषमा देवी कृता तेन समागतं तस्य मेध्यं हयं देवः कस्य हेतोरपाहरत्
प्रकृत्या विषमा देवी कृता तेन समागतं तस्य मेध्यं हयं देवः कस्य हेतोरपाहरत्
सनत् कुमारात् भगवतो ब्रह्मन् ब्रह्म विदुत्तमात् लब्ध्वा ज्ञानं स विज्ञानं राजर्षिः कां गतिं गतः सनत् कुमारात् भगवतो ब्रह्मन् ब्रह्म विदुत्तमात् लब्ध्वा ज्ञानं स विज्ञानं राजर्षिः कां गतिं गतः
सनत्कुमारात् भगवतो ब्रह्मन् ब्रह्म विदुत्तमात् लब्ध्वा ज्ञानं स विज्ञानं राजर्षिकां कदिं कतक
सनत्कुमारात् भगवतो ब्रह्मन् ब्रह्म विदुत्तमात् लब्ध्वा ज्ञानं स विज्ञानं राजर्षिकां गतिं गतः
यच् चान्यदपि कृष्णस्य भवान् भगवतः प्रभोः सुश्रवसः. So this is visarga shravaha, that takes is sound. So shravas sushravasah punyam, purva deha kathashrayam. So you see, the very conveniently introduces the word Krishna here. So, but he's talking about incarnation. So the word Krishna and Narayana always get very easily, mixed, or they just use it for the same purpose. So instead of saying you're an incarnation of Narayana or Vishnu or anything like that, he's saying you're an incarnation of Krishna. So that's where the word Krishna is coming. There's no other relation. It's from the context of incarnation. यच्चान्यदपि कृष्णस्य भवान् भगवतः प्रभोः सुश्रवसः पुण्यं पूर्वदेहकथाश्रयम्
यच्चान्यदपि कृष्णस्य भवान् भगवदः प्रभोः श्रवसः पुण्यं पूर्वदेगकदाश्रयम्
यच्चान्यतपि कृष्णस्य भवान् भगवतः प्रभोः श्रवशः पुण्यं पूर्वदेहकदाश्रयम्
भक्ताय मेनुरक्ताय तव चाधोक्षजस्य च वक्तुम् अर्हसि यो दुह्यत्. So the duvai, if you have it in Sanskrit, first put a it, yo duhyat, vainya rupena gamimam. Bhaktaaya menurakthaya tava chadhokshajasya cha vaktum arhasi yo duhyat vainya rupena gamimam.
भक्ताय मेनुरक्ताय दवसादोक्षजस्य च वक्तुमर्हसि यो दुःख्यते वैन्यरूपेण कामिमाम्
भक्ताय मेनुरक्ताय तव दोषजस्य च கரெக்ட் எப்படி
இல்ல
சொல்ற
அது வந்து அந்த word adhokshaja, and adhokshaja refers to the word narayana. Okay, so அந்த cha adhokshajasya, so chadhokshajasya.
दो चादोक्षजस्य
Chadhokshajasya.
ओ चादोक्षजस्य करेक्ट
Yeah, it's one word, but yeah, but you said correct. Yeah.
चादोक्ष you sorry
இருங்க, நான் வந்து I'll type it in English in the chat.
चादोक्षजस्य ओ चादोक्षजस्य
Yeah,
च
correct. Yeah.
चादोक्षजस्य चादोक्षजस्य च वक्तुमर्हसि यो दुह्यत् वैन्यरूपेण कामिमाम्
Suta uvacha chodito vidure naivam, vasudeva katham prati prashasya tam prita manaha, so add a visarga there, maitreyah pratyabhashata. Suta uvacha chodito vidure naivam vasudeva katham prati prashasya tam prita manaha maitreyah pratyabhashata.
सूत उवाच चोदितो विदुरेणैवं वासुदेवगदां प्रति प्रशस्य तं प्रीतमनाः मैत्रेय प्रत्यभाषद
सूत उवाच चोदितो विदुरेणैवं वासुदेवगदां प्रति प्रशस्य तं प्रीतमनाः मैत्रेयः प्रत्यभाषद
मैत्रेयो उवाच यथाभिषिक्तः पृथुरंग विप्रैः, so the ra goes away, visarga comma vipraihi, आमन्त्रितो जनतायाश्च पालः प्रजा निरन्ने क्षिति पृष्ठ एत्य, क्षुत्क्षाम देहाः पतिम अभ्यवोचन, is breaking at that ma, पतिम अभ्यवोचन. मैत्रेयो उवाच यथाभिषिक्तः पृथुरङ्गविप्रैः आमन्त्रितो जनतायाश्च पालः प्रजा निरन्ने क्षितिपृष्ठयेत्य क्षुत्क्षामदेहाः पतिमभ्यवोचन्.
मैत्रेय उवाच यदाभिषिक्तपृथुरङ्गविप्रैः आमन्त्रितो जनतायाश्च पालः प्रजानिरन्देशिधिपृष्ठयेत्य शुच्छामदेगापदिमभ्यवोचन्
मैत्रेयुवाच यदाभिषिक्तः प्रदुरङ्गविभ्रैः आमन्त्रितो जनदायाश्च पालः प्रजा निरन्ने क्षितिपृष्ठयेत्य शुक्षामदेहः पदिम् अभ्यवोचन्.
First and second word is Prituranga, the word. Prituranga.
Pruturanga.
Bayam Rajan Jatarenabhitapta. One word. Jatarenabhitapta, comma. Yathagnina Kotara Sthena Vrikshaha. Tvamadhya Yatash Sharanam Sharanyam, comma. Yas Sadhito Vritti Karah Patirnaha. Vayam Rajan Jatarenabhitapta. Yathagnina Kotarastena Vrikshaha. Tvamadhya Yata Sharanam Sharanyam. Yas Sadhito Vritti Karah Patirnaha.
वयं राजन् जाडरेणाभिदप्ता यदाग्निना कोटरस्तेन वृक्षाः त्वामद्य यादा शरणं शरण्यं यश्चादितो वृत्तिकरः पदिर्नः
Vayam Rajan Jadarenabhitapta Yadagnina Kodarastena Vrikshaha Tvamatya Yada Sharanam Sharanyam Yas Sadito Vrittikaraf Padirnaha.
Second line, second word, Yatash. Ya sound. Tvamadhya Yatash Sharanam.
Tvamatya Yadash.
Yeah, correct. Tanno Bhavan Ihatu Ratavenam, comma. Kshudartitanam Naradeva Deva. Yavanna Nangshyamaha. So ing and iksh. Nangshyamaha Ujjitorjaha. So add a visargan comma there. Ujjitorjaha. Vartha Patis Tvam Kila Lokapalaha. Tanno Bhavani Haturatavenam Kshudartitanam Naradeva Deva Yavanna Nangshyamaha Ujjitorjaha Vartha Patis Tvam Kila Lokapalaha.
तन्नो भवानीगतुरादवीर्णं क्षुधार्तिदानं नरदेवदेव यावन्ननङ्क्ष्यामग उज्जिर्दोर्जाः वार्तापदिस्वं किल लोकबालाः
Lokapalaha.
लोकपालः
तन्नो भवान् इह दुरादवेन्नं क्षुधार्दितानां नरदेवदेव यावन्न नङ्क्ष्यामः उज्जितोर्जाः वार्तापदिस्त्वं किल लोकपालः.
Maitreyo Uvacha Prituh Prajanam Karunam, comma, Nishamya Paridevitam Dirgham Dadyau Kuru Sreshtha, comma, Nimittam Sonvapadyata. Maitreyo Uvacha Prituh Prajanam Karunam Nishamya Paridevitam Dirgham Dadyau Kuru Sreshtha Nimittam Sonvapadyata.
मैत्रेय उवाच पृथुः प्रजानां करुणं निशम्य परिदेवितं दीर्घं दत्यौ गुरुश्रेष्ठ निमित्तं सोऽन्वपत्यत
मैत्रेय उवाच पृथुः प्रजानां करुणं निशम्य परिदेविदं दीर्घं तत्यो कुरुश्रेष्ठ निमित्तं सोऽन्वपत्यद.
Iti Vyavasito Buddhya, comma, Pragrihita Sharasanaha Sandadhe Vishikham Bhumehe Kruddhas Tripuraha Yatha. Iti Vyavasito Buddhya Pragrihita Sharasanaha Sandadhe Vishikham Bhumehe Kruddhas Tripuraha Yatha.
इति व्यवसितो बुद्ध्या प्रगृहीतशरासनः सन्दते विशिखं भूमेः त्रिपुराहता
And the word Kru sound first, okay.
Oh,
Kruddhas Tripura Hahara. Yata.
Okay. Kruttas Tripura ha yata.
Yeah.
Okay.
इति व्यवसितो बुद्ध्या प्रगृहीत शराशनः सन्ददे विशिखं भूमेः घृतस्त्रिपुरः यदा.
We'll pause here. I'll get to the meaning of 17, then we'll switch. So, like it follows in most of the chapters of Bhagavatam is first they, Maitreya or whoever is telling the story won't tell the story until the listener is actually interested in learning more, right? So that's why in all of this thing, like even the Prithu Charitram in the previous one, Maitreya is just quickly telling, hey, look, all those people said all these things that Prithu is going to be doing. So when they said all of that, Prithu was very happy, and then, he then thanked everybody, all of this. That is done. So now Maitreya has to see Vidura is actually interested in learning more. So he gave all these, drops, right? Saying that, oh, he's milking the earth, Indra is coming, he's meeting the Sanat Kumaras. He gave all these subtle things to see which ones is Vidura really picking up, right? Really. So Vidura, naturally, he grabs onto it, right? So he's saying, oh, you said that, Mother Earth came in the form of a cow. Why did Mother Earth take the shape of a cow? And then when you're milking the cow or milking the earth, what does he actually mean, right? What is actually coming out of it? Who is collecting it? What is happening to that? And then you mentioned that he is going to help, flatten the earth, make the lands better for cultivation. What did he do all that? Why did Indra steal the Ashwamedha Yajna horse? So whatever he gave some prompts, Vidura is asking more and more about it and saying that, I need to know about all of that because, he says, because the primary reason he says this is and Maitreya is also answering there is that anything related to Prithu is good. That's why Sutta Puranika, this is one where in stanza 8, Sutta Puranika comes. Remember the nested loop, right? So Sutta is telling the story. So he's coming and saying when Vidura asked this, Maitreya continued because Prithu is an incarnation of Bhagavan. So anytime you're talking about any incarnation of Bhagavan, it is the right question to ask, it's the right thing for people to talk about, and it's the right thing for everybody to listen because it is related to Bhagavan. So that's why whatever we're going to talk about in the Prithu Charitram is relevant because it's an extension of Bhagavan. So, here first Maitreya then tells as to what is happening. So if you remember, Prithu came, all the sages put Prithu on the throne and made him the protector or the king only because Vena was really bad, right? He was creating all these atrocities. He didn't care about the citizens. So what was happening was the entire population was actually dying due to starvation. So they all approached the king. They're saying that, that's why in this Agni, one word will come in 10 or something. Yeah, Jhata Rena Bitapta. So Jhata is stomach. So they're saying just like how, there's like a fire, which is, if there's a fire from inside the tree, hollow tree, the tree gets burned, saying our stomach, this fire inside our stomach, which is burning, and we are not able to quench that, right? So because of which we are almost dying and becoming so, thin and everything because they don't have food. Because there's no cultivation happening, there's no agriculture happening, nothing is happening, and they're not getting anything from the earth. So all these people come to the king and say, you are the ruler, so you have to actually protect us here. So either you have to give us some food, you have to figure out how to get food out of the earth, or you have to give us some jobs so we can get food. At the end of the day, everybody's starving, right? So they're in a very pitiable condition right now. So that's what they come to Prithu and say, you have to actually help. So when Prithu hears this, the first thing, and some of these things are little bit like metaphors, right? It's not exactly something. So, for example, when Prithu hears about it, he gets very upset at Earth. Why does he get upset at Earth? Because Earth is supposed to give all the things required for survival: vegetables, fruits, rice, grains, everything that is required. Earth is supposed to give, but Earth is not giving right now anything for them. That's why people are all starving, right? So he gets very upset about it. And what he does is he says, I'm going to destroy this. He's very angry at Earth. Now, and in that anger, he's saying, I'm going to destroy Earth. So when he says, I'm going to destroy Earth, so at that time, the Earth takes the Bhumi Devi, right? So because you have to think of Earth in two ways. One, there's a physical Earth where all of us are living right now. And then there's a Devi or a god or a goddess who's managing that Earth. So that is what the representation of Bhumi Devi, right? So it's a deity who's protecting the Earth, who's responsible for the way Earth functions, right? So think of it as it's her energy which is manifesting as Earth. So that Devi, she's actually coming and she's appearing in the form of a cow, right? For a conversation with Prithu here. So there's a conversation that's going to happen. So Prithu is seeing that this Bhumi Devi is appearing as a cow, and then she's trying to run because Prithu is trying to hurt the earth. He's very upset at the earth. So he's chasing this cow, which is Mother Earth, Prithvi Devi. So then he's chasing this cow. So the cow at some point is not able to escape from Prithu. So it pauses. And then it actually, Bhumi Devi then talks to Prithu saying that I cannot run from you, right? So I'm going to pause here. I'm going to surrender to you. So please don't hurt me, right? She's saying, you, Prithu, you are the ruler. You are supposed to protect everybody. Now, why are you trying to hurt the earth, the place in which you are living, right? You are trying to damage the place. It's not going to help, right? And then she's saying, you are supposed to know all the right dharma. You are an incarnation of the Lord. So it reminds him that by hurting the earth, you are going to hurt your people as well. That is, if I go and bomb a place out because I'm frustrated at earth, I have people living on the earth as well, right? So they are also going to get affected. So it reminds him saying, don't act in haste. You trying to get upset at me, the earth, is only going to damage your people because I'm like a boat which is carrying all your people. So you destroy the boat, everybody in the boat is going to die as well. So she says that is not why. What is the problem here? So now Prithu is explaining his problem. So the context here is all the food production that is actually there has completely come to a stop, right? Because there was a bad ruler like Vena. So there was no agriculture that was happening, no planning that was happening, nobody was protecting the land, complete misuse of natural resources. So the earth was not yielding any crops, it was not yielding any grains or nothing in return, because of which agriculture was not happening, people were starving. So Prithu is telling earth, it is your responsibility because you have rain coming, which is governed by Indra. So when the rain comes, naturally things should get produced, right? So you are not producing it. So it is actually your irresponsibility, O earth, that you are not giving what the people actually need. That's why I'm actually upset at you, right? So that is what Prithu is telling. And now he uses the cow as an example, saying, you have come in the form of a cow. If I'm feeding the cow the right amount of grass, and the cow is supposed to give me milk in return. If the cow is not giving milk in return, then that cow is of no value because the purpose, for that purpose of giving milk, right? It is not helping me out. So that is Prithu's thing. So he says that I am supposed to take care of my people. And if you're not going to be cooperating here, then I'm very upset at you. And, it's your responsibility, O earth, to give me and protect the people. So at this time, there's a conversation that's going to happen. But before that, initially, this cow, Bhumi Devi as cow, was running away from Prithu. But then at some point, the Bhumi Devi comes to a realization that Prithu is an extension of Bhagavan. He's an incarnation of Bhagavan. So before Bhumi Devi responds back, the first thing they're going to do is she's going to do a stuti. So in this again, the Dharo Vacha in stanza 29 is going to come, where Bhumi Devi is going to do a quick stuti to Prithu, saying that you are the Supreme Lord. You are no different than the Bhagavan who created this world, who created all of this thing. And it will remind him that you remember when you took the Varaha Avataram, you protected me as an earth by holding me close to you and then helping me out. How can you, in this Avataram as Prithu, come to destroy me, right? He says that's not fair. So it is reminding Prithu that you are the same Bhagavan who helped me out at one point. So you cannot be coming to hurt me again, right? With that, this chapter comes to an end of the conversation that is happening between Prithu and Bhumi Devi. And in the next chapter, the Bhumi Devi is going to tell Prithu, instead of getting upset about the problem, what he should actually do to actually get the benefits out of the earth and then help his people, which is in chapter 28, 18.
But Rajesh, I have a
Hmm.
question.
Yeah.
If Prithu is an avataram, why does he want to hurt Earth?
Like hurt na, see, as I say, it's a frustration, right? So see, he's the ruler and all his people are starving, right? They're coming and saying, we are dying. So you got to help me. You got to feed me, right? And he's not able to feed because there's nothing that is growing. And remember, Prithu, he didn't grow. He wasn't born as a child and then he grew up, right? Remember when he came in as a full person, right? And they coronated him as a king. So he's seeing that there's nothing to eat, right? People are just dying because there's no agriculture, no cultivation happening. So he's just getting frustrated and he wants to take his frustration at somebody, saying, you as an earth should be producing vegetables and should be producing fruits and grains. Why is that not happening? Now, the answer is going to come in chapter 18. So he's just frustrated right now because he doesn't know the cause for it.
Okay, thank you, Rajesh.
Okay. Okay, so we'll see who they have. Priya Srikumar, you can be a student, and Vijaya there. No. Shanti, you can be a student. 11 முடிச்சு. Okay, so we start from 12, right? Oh, sorry. எங்க
14
முடிக்கணும்?
14
முடிச்சாச்சு. Okay. Okay.
No, 14 ஆரம்பிக்கணும்.
14 okay, okay. பிரவேபமானா தரணி, comma, निशाम्योदायुधं च तं गौस् सत्यपाद्रवत् भीता, comma, मृगीव मृगयुद्रुता. प्रवेपमाना धरणी निशाम्योदायुधं च तं गौस् सत्यपाद्रवत् भीता, मृगीव मृगयुद्रुता.
प्रवेपमानाधरणी निशाम्योदायुधं च तं गौसत्यपाद्रवद्भीता मृगीव मृगयुद्रुता.
प्रभेवमानाधरणी निशाम्योदायुधं सदं कौसत्यपाद्रवद्भीता मृगीव मृगयुद्रुता.
ताम् अन्वधावत् तद्वैन्यः, comma, कुपितोत्यरुणेक्षणः. So it's one word, but the word is arunekshanah. So aruna ikshanaha, his eyes are becoming red. Kupitotyarunekshanaha. Sharam dhanushi sandhaya, comma, yatra yatra palayate. Tamanvadhavat tadvainyah kupitotyarunekshanaha. Sharam dhanushi sandhaya yatra yatra palayate.
Rajeshji, so
Yeah.
Tamanvadhavat tad, then after that there is a tad. So 2 tad.
Tamanvadavat tadvainyah.
So, okay. That is also the D, right?
Yeah,
The third, the fourth one.
it's like it's tat vainya, but that it and va comes together, that takes the da and va sound. So yeah, tad vainya. Okay, davat, davat is a ta, first ta in Sanskrit, and then tad vainya.
तामन्वधावत्तद्वैन्यः कुपितोत्यरुणेक्षणः शरं धनुषि सन्धाय यत्र यत्र पलायते.
तामन्वदावत् तत्पैन्यः कुपितोत्यतृणेक्षणः शरं धनुषि सन्धाय यत्र यत्र पलायते.
And then the first line after the comma, kupitotyarunekshanaha.
कुपितोत्यरुणेक्षणः.
Correct. Sa disho vidisho devi, comma, rodasi chantaram thayoho dhavanti tatra tatrainam, comma, dadarshan udhyatayudham. I'm just breaking at the nu there. Dadarshan udhyatayudham. Sa disho vidisho devi rodasi chantaram tayoho dhavanti tatra tatrainam dadarshan udhyatayudham.
सादिशो विदिशो देवी रोदसी चान्दरं तयोः धावन्ति तत्र तत्रैनं ददर्शान् उद्यतायुधम्.
सादिशो विदिशो देवी रोदसी चान्दरं तयोः धावन्ति तत्र तत्रैनं ददर्शानुद्यतायुधम्.
लोके नाविन्दत त्राणं, comma, वैन्यान् मृत्योरिव प्रजाः त्रस्ता तदा निववृते, comma, हृदयेन विदूयता. लोके नाविन्दत त्राणं वैन्यान् मृत्योरिव प्रजाः त्रस्ता तदा निववृते हृदयेन विदूयता.
लोकेनाविन्ददत्राणं वैन्यान् मृत्योरिव प्रजाः त्रस्ता तदा निववृते हृदयेन विदूयता.
लोकेनाविन्ददत्राणं वैन्यान् मृत्योरिव प्रजाः त्रस्ता तदा निववृते हृदयेन विदूयता.
उवाच च महाभागं, comma, धर्म ज्ञापन्न वत्सल त्राहि मामपि भूतानां, comma, palane vastito bhavan. So here is where the Bhuma Devi is surrendering, saying that, I'm not going to run. You please protect me. You are supposed to protect me here, and then help me out here. Uvacha cha mahabhagam dharmajnapanna vatsala trahi mamapi bhutanam palane vastito bhavan.
उवाच च महाभागं धर्मज्ञापन्नवत्सल त्राहि मामपि भूतानां पालने वस्थितो भवान्।
उवाच च महाभागं सर्वज्ञाबन्धवत्सल राहि मामविभूतानां पालने वस्थितो भवान्।
Sattvam jigamsase kasmat. If you have a double dha and e, we first put it, comma, kasmat. Next word will start with di. Dinamakrita kilbisham ahanishyat katam yosham, comma, dharmagnya itiyo matah. Sattvam jigamsase kasmat dinamakrita kilbisham ahanishyat katham yosham dharmagnya iti yo matah.
सत्वं जिघांससे कस्मात् दीनामकृतकिल्बिषाम् अहनिष्यत् कथं योषां धर्मज्ञ इति यो मतः।
सत्वं जिगांससे कस्मात् दीनामकृतकिल्बिषाम् अगनिष्यत् कथं योषां धर्मज्ञ इति यो मतः।
Praharanti navai strishu, comma, कृतागस्वपि जन्तवः किमुत त्वद्विधा राजन्, comma, करुणा दीनवत्सलाः. प्रहरन्ति न वै स्त्रीषु कृतागस्वपि जन्तवः किमुत त्वद्विधा राजन् करुणा दीनवत्सलाः.
प्रहरन्ति न वै स्त्रीषु कृतागस्वपि जन्तवः किमुत त्वद्विधा राजन् करुणादीनवत्सलाः।
प्रहरन्ति न वै स्त्रीषु कृतागस्वपि जन्तवः किमुत त्वद्विधा राजन् करुणादीनवत्सलाः।
Mam vipatyajaram. So it's it and a ya. Vipatyajaram navam, comma, yatra vishwam pratishtitam atmanam cha prajaschemaha, comma, katham ambhasi dhasyasi. Mam vipatyajaram navam yatra vishwam pratishtitam atmanam cha prajaschemaha katham ambhasi dhasyasi.
मां विपाट्याजरां नावं यत्र विश्वं प्रतिष्ठितम् आत्मानं च प्रजाश्चेमाः कथमम्भसि धास्यसि।
मां विपाट्याजरां नावं यत्र विश्वं प्रतिष्ठितम् आत्मानं च प्रजाश्चेमाः कथमम्भसि दास्यसि।
Prithuruvacha. So the earth is asking for protection. Now Prithu is going to tell the problem that he has with all of this. Vasudhe tvam vadishyami, comma, machhasana parangmukhin bhagam barhishi yabrinte, comma, na tanoti chano vasu. Prithuruvacha vasudhe tvam vadishyami machhasana parangmukhin bhagam barhishi yabrinte न तनोति चनो वसु.
ऋतुरुवाच वसुधे त्वां वधिष्यामि मच्छासनपराङ्मुखीं भागं बर्हिष्या वृङ्क्ते न तनोति च नो वसु.
Oh, Shanti, you're on mute. We lose her. Shanti, mute let get. Okay, I'll continue. यवसं जग्ध्यनुदिनं कॉमा नैव दोध्यौधसंपयः. So ig and id is half there. Dogdhyaudasampayah. Tasyamevam hi dushtayam, comma, dando natra na shasyate. Yavasam jagdhyanudinham naiva dogdhyaudasampayah. Tasyamevam hi dushtayam dando natra na shasyate.
यवसं जग्ध्यनुदिनं नैव दोग्ध्यौधसंपयः तस्यामेवं हि दुष्टायां दण्डो नात्र न शस्यते
यवसं जप्यरुदिनं नैव दोग्ध्यौ दशम्भयः तस्यामेवं हि दुष्टायां दण्डो नात्र न शस्यते.
On the first line, jagdhyanudinam kapram comma. Okay. Before naiva. Okay. Tvam Khalboshadi Bijani. So Oshadi, which is medicines, Bijani, which is the seeds, right? So he's telling that all of this, everything that we need for survival, for every being on earth, it should be coming from earth naturally, right? So that's what he's saying, whether it be things that we need to eat or things which are medicines, there should be nothing that has been created artificially. That's what he's going to tell, and that's what is going to come later also. So Tvam Khalboshadi Bijani, comma, Prak Srishtani Swayambhuva न मुञ्चस्यात्म रुद्धानि कॉमा माम अवज्ञाय मंदधीः. त्वं खल्वोषधि बीजानि प्राक्सृष्टानि स्वयंभुवा न मुञ्चस्यात्म रुद्धानि माम अवज्ञाय मंदधीः.
त्वं खल्वोषधि बीजानि प्राक्सृष्टानि स्वयंभुवा न मुञ्चस्यात्मरुद्धानि मामवज्ञाय मन्दधीः.
त्वं खल्वोषधि बीजानि प्राक्सृष्टानि स्वयंभुवा न मुञ्चस्यात्मरुद्धानि मामवज्ञाय मन्दधीः.
अमूषां क्षुत्परीतानां कॉमा आर्तानां परिदेवितं शमयिष्यामि मद्बाणैः. Put a visarga comma. On top of the bhi, there is a ear that goes away. Bhinnayas tava medasa. Amhusham kshutparitanam artanam paridevitam shamayishyami madbanaihi bhinnayas tava medasa.
अमूषां क्षुत्परीतानाम् आर्तानां परिदेवितं शमयिष्यामि मद्बाणैः भिन्नायास्तव मेधसा.
अमूषां क्षुत्परितानाम् आर्तानां परिदेवितं समयिष्यामि मद्बाणैः भिन्नायास्तव मेधसा.
Puman yoshiduta klibaha. So add a visarga there. Klibaha, comma. Atma sambhavanodhamaha bhuteshu niranukrosho, comma. Nripanam tadvado vadaha. Puman yoshiduta klibaha atma sambhavanodhamaha bhuteshu niranukrosho nripanam tadvado vadaha.
पुमान्योषिदुतक्लीबः आत्मसम्भावनोधमः भूतेषु निरनुक्रोशो नृपाणां तद्वधोवधः.
भुमान्योषिदक्लीबः आत्मसम्भावनोतमः भूतेषु निरनुग्रोशो नृपाणां तत्त्वतोवतः.
First line, second word, Shanti. Yoshiduta.
भुमान्योषिदुतक्लीबः. Okay.
Tvam stabdham durmadam neetva, comma, mayagam tilashasharaihi atma yoga balenema, comma, dharayishyamyaham prajaha. Tvam stabdham durmadham neetva mayagam tilashasharaihi atma yoga balenema dharayishyamyaham prajaha.
त्वां स्तब्धां दुर्मदां नीत्वा मायागां तिलशरैः आत्मयोगबलेनेमा धारयिष्याम्यहं प्रजाः
त्वां स्तब्धां दुर्मतां नीत्वा मायाकान्तिलशत्सरैः बलेनेमा तारयिष्याम्यहं प्रजाः
एवं मन्युमयीं मूर्तिं कृतान्तम् इव बिभ्रतं प्रणता प्राञ्जलिः प्राह मही सञ्जात वेपतुः एवं मन्युमयीं मूर्तिं कृतान्तमिव बिभ्रतं प्रणता प्राञ्जलिः प्राह मही सञ्जात वेपतुः
एवं मन्युमयीं मूर्तिं कृतान्तमिव बिभ्रतं प्रणता प्राञ्जलिः प्राह मही सञ्जातवेपतुः
एवं मन्युमयीं मूर्तिं कृतान्तमिव बिभ्रतं प्रणदा प्राञ्जलिप्राह मही सञ्जातवेपतुः
Dharo Vacha. So the next 8 stanzas are literally a stuti, where it'll just say you are, like it says, Namah Parasmai Purushaya, you are the Supreme Lord. So it is as if it is the Bhumi Devi is doing a stuti to Bhagavan, because Prithu is just an extension. So all 8 stanzas are stuti there. Dharo Vacha, Namah Parasmai Purushaya Mayaya, Vinyasta Nana Tanave Gunatmane, नमस् स्वरूपानुभवेन निर्धुत पुट प्लस द्रव्य क्रिया कारक बिभ्रमोर्मये. Second line is continuous. धरोवाच नमः परस्मै पुरुषाय मायया विन्यस्तनानातनवे गुणात्मने नमस्वरूपानुभवेन निर्धुत द्रव्यक्रियाकारक बिभ्रमोर्मये.
धरोवाच नमः परस्मै पुरुषाय मायया विन्यस्तनानातनवे गुणात्मने नमः स्वरूपानुभवेन निर्धुतद्रव्यक्रियाकारक विभ्रमोर्मये.
धरोवाच नमः परस्मै पुरुषाय मायया विन्यस्तनानादनवे गुणात्मने नमः स्वरूपानुपवेन निर्धुतद्रव्यक्रियाकारक विभ्रमोर्मये.
एनाहं, breaking at that ma, एनाहं आत्मायतनं विनिर्मिता, धात्रा यतोयं गुणसर्गसङ्ग्रहः स एव मां हन्तुम् उदायुधस् स्वराड. So the do that is there, we're going to break it. Swarad, upastitonya sharanam kamashraye. Enahamatmayatanam vinirmita dhatra yatoyam gunasarga sangraha sa eva mam hantum udayudhaswarad upastitonya sharanam kamashraye.
येनाहमात्मायतनं विनिर्मिता धात्रा यतोऽयं गुणसर्गसङ्ग्रहः स एव मां हन्तुमुदायुधस्वराड उपस्थितोऽन्यः शरणं कमाश्रये.
येनाहम् आत्ममायदनं विनिर्मिता तात्रा यदोऽयं गुणसर्गसङ्ग्रहः स एव मां हन्तुमुदायुधस्वराड उपस्थितोऽन्यं शरणं कमाश्रये.
Two corrections, Shanti. Upastitonya, அங்க im கிடையாது, just upastitonya, second line la. And then the first word, enaham atmayatanam.
Okay. பட் இங்க பஸ்தி தோன்யம்னு தான் இருக்கு, உபதஸ்தி தோன்யம் இருக்கு கிடையாது. அது
எனக்கும் தோன்யம் தான் இருக்கு.
தோன்யம் சரணம் கமாஸ்ரயே.
அப்படிதான் இருக்கு.
எனக்கும் தோன்யம் தான் இருக்கு.
Okay, I'll check on it. Okay, mine doesn't have the in there. The first word mattum Shanti, enaham
Okay.
atmayatanam.
Okay. येनाहम् आत्मायतनं विनिर्मिता
Yeah.
छात्राय. Okay. Thanks.
All right, I'll confirm on that upastitonium. Okay. All right, we'll switch for the
Rajesh,
last.
even என்னோட தோணியம் தான் இருக்கு அந்த bookல.
Yeah, so I don't know when I didn't make the correction. Okay, so maybe it is that, but I'll confirm today.
Okay.
Okay. Because you have the same thing, but maybe an older publication of mine, right?
Okay.
Yeah, so maybe it is thonium.
எனக்கு தோன்யதா இருக்கு. பஸ்தி
தோன்யவா தோன்யம்மா?
தோன்ய.
இல்ல எனக்கு எம் இருக்கு.
Yeah, that's what some books have ya and some books have yam. So I'll
தமிழ்ல யா இருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
ஆமா. தோன்ய.
even Sanskrit mine has ya.
தோன்யம்னு இருக்கு.
I think different books. I think Tamil Sanskrit that doesn't matter. Different
No, but
versions of the
Rajesh and
books
mine
and
are similar. So
yeah, I think your Satyas is a later publication of the same book that I have, but yours has im, mine doesn't have im. So okay. All right, we'll check that. All right, last thing. Narayan, you can be a student, and Srividya Sriram, I can be a student. Okay. Yeah. Etat. So this one, the hard stanza. Yeah, etat adhavasrijaj characharam, comma, swamayayatma shrayaya vitarkyaya. So on the word only cannot split it, but the individual words are swamayaya atma ashrayaya abitarkyaya. Okay, but ella and the because it is coming, that is just becoming one long word. Okay, so after that comma, the whole word you have to say it as one. Tayaiva soyam. Yeah.
Some places have one that F kind of letter and some places have two. What is the difference?
So it's just a. So a ending and atma. Like
Okay,
so just to
two.
say that,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Rajesh, can you say that word again? Rajesh, நீங்க split
Yeah.
பண்ணி சொன்ன
So
மாதிரி.
அதை நான் வந்து individual word சொல்றேன், but அதை வந்து படிக்கும்போது you have to say it together. Okay.
Thank you, Rajesh.
Swamayaya atma ashrayaya avitarkyaya. Okay, ashrayaya avitarkyaya.
Rajesh, sorry, I just joined. எந்த ஸ்லோகம்ல இருக்கும்?
31 of 17th chapter.
Okay, thanks. Thank you.
Got it, Deepa? But so and the the line is breaking.
Sure, thank you, Rajesh. Got it.
Tayaiva soyam kila goptum udhyatah, comma, katham numam dharma paro jighamsati. Yahetad adhavasujacharacharam swamaya yatma shrayaya vitarkyaya tayaiva soyam kila goptum udhyatah katham numam dharma paro jighamsati.
ययेतत् आधावसृजच्चराचरं स्वमाययात्माश्रयया विदर्क्यया तयैव सोऽयं किल गोप्तुम् उद्यतः कथं नु मां धर्मपरो जिगांसति.
ययेतदावसृजच्चराचरं स्वमाययात्मा श्रयया वितर्क्यया तयैव सोऽयं किल गोप्तुमुद्यतः कथं तु मां धर्म परो जिगांसति.
Second line after the comma, katham nu mam. I heard a ta sound. Katham nu ma.
Okay, katham tu திருப்பி tu சொல்றேன். katham nu mam dharma. Okay.
Nunam bateshasya samihitam janaihi. So that is goes away. Visarga comma. Tan mayaya durjayaya kritatma bihi. Again one word. Na lakshyate. Yes. So this word I'm going to break it. Okay. Twakarot. So the that is there. It and a. Twakarot akarayat. So if you have a dyo sound there, we're going to break it into a it and a yo. So yes, twakarot akarayat, comma. Next word will start with the yo. Yoneka ekaf paratascha ishwaraha. All these tutis, wherever they come, they are always hard. They're all like long sentences with multiple words compounded. So, Nunambate shasya samihitam janaihi tanmayaya durjayaya kritatmabihi na lakshyate yastvakarot akarayate yoneka ekaf paratascha ishwaraha.
नूनं वदेशस्य समीहितं जनैः तन्मायया दुर्जयया कृतात्मभिः न लक्ष्यते यस्त्वगरोत् अकारयत् योनेक एकः परतश्च ईश्वरः
नूनं पदेश्य सम्मीहितं जनैः तन्मायया दुर्जयया कृतात्मभिः न लक्ष्यते यस्त्वकरोत् अकारयत् योनेक एकः परतश्च ईश्वरः
Sargadi yosyanurunadhi shaktibihi visarga comma. Then the dra on top of that is the ir that goes away. Dravya kriya karaka chetanatmabihi tasmai samunnadha niruddha shaktaye comma namah parasmai purushaya vedase. The little thing always in all these things are like, even though there are multiple like people, like even Dharo here, Earth, and even all the people saying, reminding Prithu that you are an extension, you are an incarnation of Bhagavan. But it's always this subtle line where it's like in Rama Avatar and Krishna Avataram, Krishna already, it was obvious. Like Krishna did things because he didn't, nobody had to think about it. He didn't have to wait saying, am I really an incarnation? Do I really have these powers? That there was never a thought, right? In Krishna Avatar or in Narasimha Avataram, right? Narasimha Avataram, he knew exactly what he was going to do. It was a clear purpose. He came, he did it. But in the Prithu Charitram and in the Rishabha Yogeshwar Charitram, there's always a gray line where they have the powers, but they are not fully realized that they are an incarnation. I mean, I don't know. It's because there will be points where they are not sure either, because even later on, there is going to be a conflict that's going to come, and Brahma has to mediate between Prithu and Indra, and then Narayana himself will come, and Brahma will say, you are an incarnation of Narayana. Why do you want to do all these things? So it should be like a little questionable. How come they don't fully realize it when everybody, even Brahma, is coming and reminding, but somehow they don't quite. So I don't know the exact answer. I'm just saying that only because when you see the stuti, it is referring them as you are no different than the main incarnate, the main Bhagavan, right? You are considered like that, but that maybe there's a full realization of the potency is not. I don't know.
நம்மளுக்கு யாராவது சொல்றா யூ கேன் டூ இட்னா நம்ம ஏதோ ஓகே நம்ம பண்ணலாம்னு நினைச்சு பண்ணுவோம்ல, அந்த மாதிரியோ நம்ம யாருக்குட்டா.
He has the powers.
I know, but like Hanuman didn't know his powers. You can do
exactly.
it. Someone had to push him.
Yes, exactly. I think that's a good example, right? Like he didn't know whether he could jump over, right? Things like that. So Andamaradan. So they have it. Others, there are people who realize that you have the powers and incarnation, but they themselves don't fully grasp it. Okay, so 33. Sarghadi yosyanurunadhi shaktibihi dravya kriyakaraka chetanatmabihi tasmai samunnadha niruddha shaktaye namah parasmai purushaya vedase.
सर्गादियोऽस्यानुरुणद्धि शक्तिभिः द्रव्यक्रियाकारकचेतनात्मभिः तस्मै समुन्नद्धनिरुद्धशक्तये नमः परस्मै पुरुषाय वेदसे.
सर्गादियोऽस्यानुरुणद्धि शक्तिभिः द्रव्यक्रियाकारकचेतनात्मभिः तस्मै समुन्नद्ध निरुन्ध शक्तये नमः परस्मै पुरुषाय वेधसे.
And the second line just before the comma, niruddha, in sound I heard, but there's no in sound, just niruddha shade.
Niruddha shaktaye.
Savai bhavanatma vinirmitam jagat, comma, bhutendriyantah karanatmakam vibho samstapayishyannaj mam rasatalat. So the that you have put, break it, rasatalat it. Abhyujaharambhasa. So one word, Abhyujaharambhasa Adisukaraha. So this is by saying, the Mother Earth is remaining. When I was in Rasathala, when we were the Garbhodaka ocean, when the earth was not in its place, you came there and then you lifted me up, right? And then rescued me, right? In Varaha Avataram. So you are the same person who did that in a different world, different time. But now you are coming and then you want to destroy me, which is not fair. You are the one who has to protect me again. स वै भवानात्मविनिर्मितं जगत् भूतेन्द्रियान्तःकरणात्मकं विभो संस्थापयिष्यन्न जमां रसातलात् अभ्युज्जहाराम्भस आदिसूकरः.
स वै भवानात्मविनिर्मितं जगत् भूतेन्द्रियान्तःकरणात्मकं विभो संस्थापयिष्यन्न जमां रसातलात् अभ्युज्जहाराम्भस आदिसूकरः.
स वै भवानात्मविनिर्मितं जगत् भूतेन्द्रियान्तःकरणात्मकं विभो संस्थापयिष्यन् न जमां रसातलात् अभ्युज्जहाराम्भस आदिशूकरः. सूकरः.
अपाम् उपस्थे मयि नाव्यवस्थिताः प्रजा भवानद्य रिरक्षिषुः किल स वीरमूर्तिस् समभूद्धराधरो यो मां पयस्युग्र शरो जिघांससि. अपाम् उपस्थे मयि नाव्यवस्थिताः प्रजा भवानद्य रिरक्षिषुः किल स वीरमूर्तिः समभूद्धराधरो यो मां पयस्युग्र शरो जिघांससि.
अपाम् उपस्थे मयि नाव्यवस्थिताः प्रजा भवानद्य रिरक्षिषु किल. அது எப்படி படிக்கணும்?
रिरक्षिषु
किल सवीरमूर्तिः समभूद्धराधरो यो मां पयस्युग्र शरो जिघांससि.
अपामुपस्थिते मयि नाव्यवस्थिताः प्रजा भवानद्य रिरक्षिषु किल स वीरमूर्तिः समभूद्धराधरो यो मां भयस्युग्रशरो जिघांससि.
The word there, samabhudharadharo. Dharadhara is a person who is actually holding dhara, earth. So there's a Varaha Avataram. The another name of that is Dharadhara, the one who's holding the planet Earth. Nunam janairihitam ishwaranam, breaking at that ma, asmat vidhais tadguna sarga mayaya na jnayate mohita chitta vartmabihi is goes away, visarga comma vartmabihi. तेभ्यो नमो वीर यशस्करेभ्यः. नूनं जनैरीहितमीश्वराणाम् अस्मद्विधैस्तद्गुणसर्गमायया न ज्ञायते मोहितचित्तवर्त्मभिः तेभ्यो नमो वीर यशस्करेभ्यः.
नूनं जनैरीहितम् ईश्वराणाम् अस्मद्विधैस्तद्गुणसर्गमायया न ज्ञायते मोहितचित्तवर्त्मभिः तेभ्यो नमो वीरयशस्करेभ्यः. वीर्यव वीरयव
वीरयशस्करेभ्यः.
वीरयशस्करेभ्यः.
नूनं जनैरीहितमीश्वराणाम् अस्मद्विधैस्तद्गुणसर्गमायया न ज्ञायते चित्तवर्त्मभिः तेभ्यो नमो वीरयशस्करेभ्यः.
इति श्रीमद्भागवते महापुराणे पारमहंस्यां संहितायां चतुर्थस्कन्धे पृथुविजये धरित्री निग्रहो नाम सप्तदशोऽध्यायः. निग्रहो means punishment or controlling. So Prithu trying to control the earth.
इति श्रीमद्भागवते महापुराणे पारमहंस्यां संहितायां चतुर्थस्कन्धे पृथुविजये दरिद्री निग्रहो नाम सप्तदशोऽध्यायः.
इति श्रीमद्भागवते महापुराणे पारमहंस्यां संहितायां चतुर्थस्कन्धे ऋतुविजये दरिद्री निग्रहो नाम सप्तदशोऽध्यायः.
अथ अष्टादशोऽध्यायः. मैत्रेयो उवाच इत्थं पृथुम् अभिष्टूय रुषा प्रस्फुरिताधरं पुनराहावनिर्भीता संस्तभ्यात्मानं संस्तभ्यात्मानम् आत्मना. मैत्रेयो उवाच इत्थं पृथुमभिष्टूय रुषा प्रस्फुरिताधरं पुनराहावनिर्भीता संस्तभ्यात्मानमात्मना.
मैत्रेयोवाच इत्थं पृथुमभिष्टूय रुषा प्रस्फुरितादरं पुनराहावनिर्भीता संस्तभ्यात्मानमात्मना.
मैत्रेय उवाच इत्थं पृथुमभिष्टूय रुषा प्रस्फुरिताधरं पुनराहावनिर्भीता संस्थाप्यात्मानमात्मना. संस्तभ्यात्मानमात्मना.
सन्नियच्छाभिभो, one word, सन्नियच्छाभिभो मन्युं निबोध श्रावितं च मे सर्वतः सारमादत्ते यथा मधुकरो बुधः. सन्नियच्छाभिभो मन्युं निबोध श्रावितं च मे सर्वतः सारमादत्ते यथा मधुकरो बुधः.
तन्नियच्छाभिभो मन्युं निबोधश्रावितं च मे सर्वतः सारमादत्ते यथा मधुकरो बुधः.
तन्नियच्छाभिभो मन्युं निबोधश्रावितं च मे सर्वतः सारमादत्ते यथा मधुकरो बुधः.
இது சம் இல்லையா? சன்னு தானே?
Because the na is coming,
Okay.
right? So generally it takes in sound. Asmil loketa vamushmin. One long word. Okay, so cannot break it. In case some books may have asmin and the in and la vardhanal, it takes a double ill sound, the first word. So asmil loketa vamushmin, munibhis tattva darshibhihi drishta yoga prayuktascha, पुंसां श्रेयः प्रसिद्धये. अस्मिल्लोके तवामुष्मिन् मुनिभिस्तत्त्वदर्शिभिः दृष्टा योगाः प्रयुक्ताश्च पुंसां श्रेयः प्रसिद्धये.
अस्मिन् लोके तवामुष्मिन् मुनिभिस्तत्त्वदर्शिभिः दृष्टा योगाः प्रयुक्ताश्च पुंसां श्रेयः प्रसिद्धये.
அனன்யா, அந்த இது அஸ்மின்னு உங்களுக்கு செப்பரேட்டா போட்டிருக்கால? இல்ல because it's a double L, it becomes a ill
ஆமா,
sound.
அஸ்மின் இல்லு போட்டு லோகேத்த.
அது வந்து it takes us in its individuality it's a in, but because it's coming together it'll become asmilloke, double
அஸ்மில் ஓகே, அஸ்மில்
இல்லன் லா.
லோகேத்த.
எனக்கு அஸ்மின்னு போட்டிருக்கு ராஜேஷ்.
அதான் அந்த individual word is asmin, but அது வந்து when it joins it becomes it's like a continuation, so it becomes a double ill. அவ்வளவுதான்.
ஓகே, thank you.
अस्मिल्लोके तवामुष्मिन् मुनिभिस्तत्त्वदर्शिभिः दृष्टा योगाः प्रयुक्ताश्च पुंसां श्रेयः प्रसिद्धये.
ताना तिष्ठति यस samyak. So you have a gu, that gu will become a ik and a u. So samyak, upayan पूर्वदर्शितान् अवरश्रद्धयोपेत उपेयान् विन्दतेञ्जसा तानातिष्ठति यः सम्यक् उपायान् पूर्वदर्शितान् अवरश्रद्धयोपेत उपेयान् विन्दतेञ्जसा
तानातिष्ठति यः सम्यक् उपायान् पूर्वदर्शितान् अवरश्रद्धयोपेत उपेयान् विन्दतेञ्जसा
तानातिष्ठति यः सम्यक् उपायान् पूर्वदर्शितान् श्रद्धयोपेत उपेयान् विन्दतेञ्जसा
तान् अनादृत्य यो विद्वान् ब्रेकिंग at that na comma अर्थान् आरभते स्वयं तस्य व्यभिचरन्त्यर्थाः so add a visargan comma व्यभिचरन्त्यर्थाः comma आरब्धाश्च in case your book says arabdhascha mine had a which has to be removed so it's arabdhascha punah punah ताननादृत्य यो विद्वान् अर्थानारभते स्वयं तस्य व्यभिचरन्त्यर्थाः आरब्धाश्च पुनः पुनः
ताननादृत्य यो विद्वान् अर्थानारभते स्वयं तस्य व्यभिचरन्त्यर्था आरब्धाश्च पुनः पुनः
second line la the arthaha vibhicharantyarthaha
okay. Thank you.
ताननादृत्य यो विद्वान् अर्थानारभते स्वयं तस्य व्यभिचरन्त्यर्थाः आरब्धाश्च पुनः पुनः
पुरा सृष्टा ह्योषधयो ब्रह्मणा या विशाम्पते भुज्यमाना मया दृष्टाः again add a visarga there दृष्टाः असद्भिर् अदृत व्रतैः पुरा सृष्टा ह्योषधयो ब्रह्मणा या विशाम्पते भुज्यमाना मया दृष्टाः असद्भिर् अदृत व्रतैः
पुरा सृष्टा ह्योषधयो ब्रह्मणा या विशाम्पते भुज्यमाना मया दृष्टाः असद्भिर् अदृतव्रतैः
पुरा सृष्टा ह्योषधयो ब्रह्मणा या विशाम्पते भुज्यमाना मया दृष्टाः असद्भिर्
अदृत
okay असद्भिर् अदृतव्रतैः
अपालितानादृता one word च भवद्भिर् लोकपालकैः चोरीभूतेत लोकेऽहं यज्ञार्थे ग्रसम् ओषधीः because S is coming all those words get joined अपालितानादृता च भवद्भिर्लोकपालकैः चोरीभूतेत लोकेऽहं यज्ञार्थे ग्रसमोषधीः
अपालितानादृता च भवद्भिर्लोकपालकैः चोरीभूते तलोकेऽहं यज्ञार्थेऽग्रसमोषधीः
ओषधीः ग्रसम ओषधीः first second line first
ओषधीः okay
grasam
ओषधीः okay
and the second line first word and the chori re one is a long e okay chori
bhutet okay
अपालितानादृता च भवद्भिर्लोकपालकैः चोरीभूतेत लोकेऽहं यज्ञार्थे ग्रसमोषधीः
नूनं ता virudah say that visarga kshinaha add a visarga there कॉमा वीरुदः क्षीणाः मयि कालेन भूयसा तत्र योगेन दृष्टेन भवानाधातुम् अर्हति. This is breaking at that न and ma. नूनं तावीरुदः क्षीणाः मयि कालेन भूयसा तत्र योगेन दृष्टेन भवानादातुमर्हति.
नूनं तावीरुदः क्षीणाः मयि कालेन भूयसा तत्र योगेन दृष्टेन भवानादातुम् अर्हति.
नूनं तावीरोदः क्षीणाः मयि कालेन भूयसा तत्र योगेन दृष्टेन भवानादातुमर्हति.
वत्सं कल्पय मे वीर कॉमा येनाहं वत्सला तव धोक्ष्ये क्षीरमयान् कामान् ब्रेकिंग एट दैट न कॉमा अनुरूपं च दोहनम्. वत्सं कल्पय मे वीर येनाहं वत्सला तव धोक्ष्ये क्षीरमयान् कामान् अनुरूपं च दोहनम्.
वत्सं कल्पय मे वीर येनाहं वत्सला तव दोक्ष्ये क्षीरमयान् कामान् अनुरूपं च दोहनम्.
वत्सं कल्पय मे वीर येनाहं वत्सला तव दोक्ष्ये क्षीरमयान् कामान् अनुरूपं च दोहनम्.
One more and stop. दोग्धारं च महाबाहो भूतानां भूतभावन अन्नमीप्सितं. So breaking at that ma there. Annamipsitam urjasvat put a plus. Bhagavan vanchate yadi. So that line is continuous. Dogdharam cha mahabaho bhutanam bhutabhavana annamipsitam urjasvat bhagavan vanchate yadi.
दोग्धारं च महाबाहो भूतानां भूतभावन अन्नम् ईप्सितम् ऊर्जस्वत् भगवान् वाञ्छते यदि.
दोग्धारं च महाबाहो भूतानां भूतभावन मूर्जस्वत् भगवान् वाञ्छते यदि.
Second line, first word, annam ipsitam.
अन्नमीप्सितमूर्जस्वत् भगवान् वाञ्छते यदि.
Sorry. Shri Hare Namaha, Shri Hare Namaha, Shri Hare Namaha. Gopika Jeevana Smaranam Govinda Govinda. Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai. कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि.
Thank you,
Thank you, everyone.
Rajesh.
Thanks,
Thank you,
Rajesh.
Thank you.
Bye,
Thank you,
everyone.
Rajesh.
Bye, everyone. Bye.
Rajesh.
Bye. Bye, Muchit.